talk about something important today, and that is the myths versus the reality about CADWorks India Private Limited. Because I've seen so many people talking without knowing the facts. Some say it's fake, some say it's just another course platform. But what's the real story behind it? So let me share what I found after being a part of it and after doing my own research and actually, working, getting trained by it. So myth number one, which I'm getting, that is Quadworks is just an online course website. No, totally no. They have many solutions over here, and Quadworks is not just an edtech company. It is registered private limited company. It's totally a legal registered platform. You can see here, it is registered. Okay. They work in the design engineering space and also have their own project styles of and with partner with many companies as well. So the learning part is just one another part of what they do. Okay. So next myth which I'm getting at is that they give fake job promises. No. You can find reviews of people who have trained with CatWorks. So you can just check it once. They are very clear from day one. They don't make any fake promises. They say this openly that we will train you, we will guide you, and we will help you become job ready. After that, you perform well. There are real job opportunities that's transparent. Okay, and they even show real job openings inside the platform as well. They, in whichever batch you will be enrolled, you will get that um, job offers or job alerts. Okay. So myth number third is that it's just videos, no real guidance. No, the reality says that the learning is task based, not just video based. You get feedbacks. You are here for building resume. They help you build resume and even practice how to speak in interviews as well. You can just check the reviews over here as well. And it's not passive learning. You have to actually do the work. You can just see the services, and in every services they provide you practical training as well. And myth number four is that no one knows about CADWorks really. In the homepage you can see how many people have rated, and you can see the large amount of number of given reviews in Google as well. You can just see. Really, they don't know. That's totally fake. CatWorks is growing very fast, and they have their own app on Google Play Store as well. You can just see their app on Google Play Store in your mobile phone or desktop. They have a proper website. You can just check over here as well, catworksindia.com, and real reviews on Google, and people generally review their experience. You can just check it here. And people like Saurav Ganguly have promoted them. Now, what else you can expect? Even college TPOs and HODs are aware of it. Even my college's HOD was aware of it. And you'll find many learners talking about them on LinkedIn too. And at the end of the day, I believe you should never trust any random YouTube comments or WhatsApp messages or Reddit text. Do your own research like I did. Check their app, website, reviews, everything. Here you can find the app, you can check the website, and that you can go in the review section as well. You can just check everything by your own and then talk to someone who actually joined. And I joined myself, that's why I'm telling you. So for me, the reality was way better than the myths, and I'm glad I didn't listen to the noise. So that's the truth about CADWorks India Private Limited from someone who actually have been a part of it. Thank you.